Welcome to the web-based training on environmental sustainability energy conservation. Let's learn what actions we must take now to ensure that future generations can enjoy a healthy and safe environment. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand how to lighten up your rental and save energy. Identify water conservation tips for your Indian homestay. Championing waste reduction in your Indian homestay. Discuss how to go green with eco-friendly products. And find a way how to compost waste in your Indian homestay. Environmental sustainability and energy conservation have become increasingly important in recent years. Governments and businesses worldwide are taking steps to reduce their carbon footprints and their ecological impact. This can be done through green initiatives, renewable energy sources, and energy efficiency measures. In today's lesson, we will discuss the importance of environmental sustainability and how to conserve energy for future generations. This course consists of 5 modules. Let's get started with the first module. Lighten up your rental and save energy and money. In the first module, we'll look at ways to conserve electricity. As an eco-conscious host in India, you want your guests to feel comfortable and at home. But that doesn't mean sacrificing energy efficiency. Here are some smart ways to conserve energy in your rental property, benefiting both the environment and your wallet. Utilizing LED bulbs in homestays is the first step toward reducing electricity consumption. LEDs use less electricity than traditional bulbs, making them an energy-efficient choice. LEDs also last much longer than traditional bulbs, making them a more cost-effective option in the long run. Finally, LEDs emit less heat, which can help to reduce cooling costs. Following are a few steps to consider. Swap those bulbs. Traditional incandescent bulbs are energy guzzlers. Replace them with LED bulbs. They use up to 80% less energy and last 25 times longer. And embrace natural light, let the sunshine in. Strategically place curtains and blinds to take advantage of natural daylight during the day. Encourage guests to open curtains during their stay to reduce reliance on artificial lighting. Next, we need to become more aware of appliances. Star Power. When it comes to appliances, choose energy-efficient models whenever possible. Look for the star rating labels in India, with 5 stars indicating the highest efficiency. This translates to significant energy savings. And power down. Don't just stand by. Many electronics continue to consume energy even when on standby mode. When not in use, educate your guests with friendly reminders to unplug chargers, TVs, and other appliances. Gentle encouragement. The power of reminders. Regular reminders can help people become more mindful of their energy consumption. This can help them make more conscious decisions about their energy habits and reduce overall consumption. Regular reminders can also be an effective way to educate people on the importance of energy conservation. A few regular reminders are as: friendly signs make a difference. Place small, informative signs in your rental reminding guests about energy conservation. A gentle nudge to switch off lights and electronics when leaving a room can make a big impact. And lead by example. Turn off lights in unoccupied areas and avoid leaving electronics on standby when you're cleaning or maintaining the property. Your actions speak volumes. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, you can create an energy-efficient haven for your guests. Remember, every bit saved adds up, reducing your electricity bill and contributing to a greener India. Let's discuss water conservation tips in the second module. Water is a precious resource, especially in some parts of India. As a responsible host, you can play a vital role in conserving water while ensuring your guests have a comfortable stay. Here are some water-saving strategies you can implement in your rental property. The first strategy is embracing low-flow power. Showerhead swap. Consider replacing your traditional showerhead with a low-flow model. These innovative devices use less water while delivering a satisfying showering experience. You can find a variety of low-flow showerheads in Indian stores at affordable prices. Faucet fix. Install low-flow aerators on your faucets. These small attachments mix air with water, creating a powerful stream while reducing overall water usage. Water conservation is crucial for any responsible accommodation provider, but it holds particular importance in homestays. Homestays are often situated in beautiful natural settings. By conserving water, you help protect these delicate ecosystems and ensure a sustainable future for your business and the surrounding environment. Here are some practical ways to save water in your homestay without compromising on guest comfort. The towel tale: encourage responsible towel and linen use. Leave a polite note suggesting guests reuse towels for multiple days. Offer fresh linens only upon request, perhaps every other day or upon longer stays. This small change can significantly reduce water usage associated with laundry. And clear communication: communicate your towel and linen reuse policy in your listing description or house rules. This avoids confusion for guests and ensures everyone is on the same page. By addressing leaky pipes promptly, you can avoid costly repairs, protect your health and property, and save money on your water bills. Remember, a small leak can quickly turn into a big problem. Don't wait until it's too late. Fix those leaks. Fix it fast. Even a small leak in a faucet, pipe, or toilet can waste a tremendous amount of water. Regularly check your plumbing for leaks and address them promptly. Early detection can save gallons of water and prevent potential damage to your property. By adopting these water conservation practices, you'll be doing your part for the environment and reducing your utility bills. Remember, small changes implemented consistently can make a big difference. Bonus tip: consider placing a decorative carafe or water dispenser in your rental, along with reusable glasses. This encourages guests to refill their water bottles instead of running the tap for every drink. Furthermore, in the third module, we will discuss how to become a champion of waste reduction in your Indian homestay. As an eco-friendly host in India, you can positively impact the environment while keeping your rental clean and convenient for guests. Here's how to implement a waste reduction and recycling system in your Indian Airbnb. Embrace the 3 R's. Reduce: encourage guests to consume less and avoid unnecessary waste. Consider offering filtered drinking water in a carafe instead of individual plastic bottles. Limit disposable items like coffee pods or single-use toiletries. Reuse: promote reusable alternatives. Provide cloth towels and napkins instead of paper products. Offer reusable shopping bags for guests to use during their stay. Recycle: set up a clear and easy-to-understand recycling system in your rental. Recycling is a crucial environmental responsibility, and implementing a system at home is easier than you might think. Here's a breakdown of the steps to get you started. Know your local system. Research your city or town's recycling program to understand what materials are accepted. Many Indian municipalities have established recycling initiatives. Separate bins: provide separate bins for recyclable and non-recyclable waste. Clearly label them with pictures or symbols commonly used in India for easy guest understanding. Visual cues are key. Leave a guide: include a short guide in your house rules or welcome message explaining what can be recycled and how to use the bins. This avoids confusion and ensures guests participate in your system. By following these few steps and setting up a convenient and clear recycling system at home, you can contribute significantly to environmental sustainability. Remember, every recycled item makes a difference. The following tips will help you set up a composting bin that will take care of yard waste and food scraps. Composting magic: optional. If you have outdoor space, consider setting up a composting bin for food scraps and yard waste. This not only reduces landfill waste but also creates nutrient-rich compost for gardens or potted plants. Partner up: optional. Local businesses: explore partnerships with local waste management companies or eco-friendly shops. They might offer recycling or composting solutions for your rental. In the fourth module, we will understand the use of eco-friendly products. As a host in India, you want to provide your guests with a clean and comfortable space. But why not do it in a way that benefits the environment as well? Here's how to source eco-friendly cleaning products and toiletries for your Indian Airbnb. Cleaning power with a conscience. Embrace plant power: ditch harsh chemicals and opt for eco-friendly cleaning products made with plant-based and biodegradable ingredients. These natural cleaners are just as effective but gentler on the environment and guests with allergies. Look local, buy local. Many Indian brands are now offering eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Explore options at local stores or online retailers specializing in sustainable products. Supporting local businesses is a bonus. DIY magic, optional. Consider making your own cleaning solutions with vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. This is a cost-effective option and allows you to customize the cleaning strength. You can find many DIY cleaning recipes online. Using sustainable scents is a great way to give guests a unique and memorable experience. Scents can be used to create a relaxing atmosphere, evoke a sense of place, and even improve sleep quality. Sustainable scents can also be used to create an eco-friendly environment. Refill and reuse, ditch disposable toiletries and opt for refillable dispensers filled with eco-friendly soaps and shampoos. This reduces plastic waste and allows guests to use just the amount they need. Support sustainable brands. Many Indian and international brands now offer eco-friendly and ethically sourced toiletries. Look for products with certifications like cruelty-free and paraben-free for added peace of mind. The power of samples. Instead of providing full-size toiletries, consider offering small, refillable containers or sample-sized products. This reduces waste and ensures guests only use what they need. Bonus tip: be transparent with your guests. Inform them about your eco-friendly cleaning products and toiletries in your listing description. This showcases your commitment to sustainability and might attract environmentally conscious travelers. By making these simple switches to eco-friendly cleaning products and toiletries, you'll be creating a healthier environment for your guests and contributing to a greener India. Remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. In this module, we will learn how to compost kitchen scraps. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce waste and create nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden or potted plants. But is it a viable option for your Indian Airbnb? Let's explore the feasibility and how to implement composting if it works for your space. Assessing composting feasibility. Outdoor space. Composting requires a dedicated outdoor area. Ideally, you'll have a well-ventilated spot with some shade for your compost bin. This might not be feasible for all apartment rentals or properties with limited outdoor space. And guest comfort. Composting attracts insects and can sometimes generate mild odors. Consider guest comfort and ensure proper bin placement to minimize any inconvenience. Composting is a great way to recycle organic materials and reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. Indian homestays can implement a composting system to reduce the amount of organic waste they produce. This system should be properly managed and maintained to be effective. Here are some ways to make compost work. Choose your bin. Select a well-ventilated compost bin that suits your available space. Many online retailers and garden centers in India offer different composting bin options. The brown and green mix. Composting thrives on a balance of brown, carbon-rich, and green, nitrogen-rich materials. Brown materials include dried leaves, twigs, and cardboard. Green materials include food scraps like vegetable peels, eggshells, and coffee grounds. Maintain a healthy mix for optimal decomposition. Manage expectations. Inform guests about your composting system and what types of food scraps they can add. Clearly label the bin to avoid confusion. We have reached the end of this topic. Let's look at a few bonus tips. Worm power, optional. Consider vermicomposting, which utilizes worms to break down food scraps. This method is efficient and odor-controlled, making it suitable for smaller spaces. However, it might require additional research and setup. And local resources. Many Indian cities and communities are promoting composting initiatives. Explore local resources or workshops to learn more about composting techniques and best practices in your area. By implementing these strategies, we can effectively engage each one, empower individuals to take action, and create a more sustainable future for all. Let's work together to build a world where environmental consciousness becomes the norm, not the exception. Thank you for attending this course. Let's meet in the next course.